We've all had times when we've said, oh, I wish a day had more than 24 hours, or, oh, I had so much time today, yet I haven't managed to get anything productive done. And that's really when I say that it's not just about time management, it's about managing our energy. And to me, the best way, the easiest, most effortless way to manage my energy has been meditation. Along with my work, I'm also a teacher with the Art of Living, and the founder of Art of Living, Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankarji, says something so beautiful. He says, a mind without agitation is meditation. And it's true, we have so many thoughts in a day, many of which are negative, and ever so often we are overwhelmed more by our thoughts than really what we need to accomplish or get done. And that's where meditation helps me. Meditation helps to add hours to the day, it helps enhance creativity, confidence, eliminates stress completely. It completely changes not only the physiology in our body in terms of the kind of hormonal balance it brings, but also it's said that 8 weeks of meditation can help in increasing our gray matter. So it's not only about feeling less stressed, but it's also about feeling sharper cognitively, being more creative, being more empathetic. And don't you think, whether you're a student or a leader, all of these skills and behaviors are so useful? you know Oftentimes when I work with leaders, we realize how much stress comes in the way of the leader's behavior. That is, on a normal day, maybe this individual is calm, composed, and really productive, but the moment there is stress, behavior changes. And that's where meditation can help. Meditation can help us to respond right, to say the right thing and at the right time. And I encourage all of you to try it. So look at this slide up here. It has a yummy dessert, it's got a burger, and it's got some Coke. Oh my god, whose mouth is watering? Which of these three do you think is the worst for you? Take a few seconds. You know what? Whatever your answer is, you're wrong. What is the worst for you is the bed or the chair or the floor that you're sitting on right now as you listen to me. Yeah, I'm talking about sitting. There's a new phrase out there: sitting is the new smoking. Of course, it doesn't mean that sitting is bad. I'm sitting now and I'm recording this video. It's just talking about extended periods of sitting and how this is indirectly become the cause for so very many lifestyle health conditions across the globe. We're watching a movie, sitting. We're working, it's a deadline, we don't move. We're studying, we're sitting. We're reading a book, we're sitting, or sometimes even lying down in a posture that's not great for us. We're sitting ever so often through the day. And no, it doesn't mean that if we exercise or work out, even if we run like 10K, 15K early in the morning, or we do yoga in the morning, whatever it is, that we sit for the rest of the day. Extended periods of sitting are said to be harmful not only for physical health but also impact our energy levels and mental health. When we're sitting, normally our posture is such that only one of the lobes of our lungs is able to be very active, and therefore we're not also taking in as much oxygen or breathing out as much carbon dioxide, which again is not good for us or our lung capacity. So that's just one of the facts. You can go and see it online, but what I highly recommend is, if you're working, sit for 30 minutes, sit for 40 minutes, but then get up, go for a walk. There are some exercises. I have some pictures uploaded here. You can definitely follow the sequence. It's just a 5 to 7 minute sequence. You can shorten it to even 2 minutes by picking just a few of them. But yes, please move. That is the secret. It's not only about exercising. It's about exercising, yes, but also about being active through the day. We're now going to talk about sleep. Again, it's so obvious, it's all over that sleep is important. Did you know that Jeff Bezos, who's the founder of Amazon, sleeps 8 hours every single night and it's non negotiable for him? Roger Federer sleeps about 10 to 12 hours during the times of his tournaments because he knows his body needs the rest. All the successful businessmen, CEOs, sports players prioritize sleep. Yet, so many of us, and I've been guilty of this very often too, think that, you know what, I have so much to do at work, at home, with friends, and so on. How do I manage to fit this all in? Let me just sleep a little bit lesser. Or let me get my 7 to 8 hours, but why don't I sleep at 3 a.m.? Neither of the two work, unfortunately. They may give you some short term success, and even in the short term, we're bound to have grumpy days, dullness, and slower metabolism, slower digestion, and so much more when we sleep less. And that's just in the short term. In the long term, it can be dangerous to not only our well being but also our health. And there are enough YouTube videos and Google research articles about this. But really, this is such an ignored aspect of well being. Even in organizations, the cost of productivity is high just because employees haven't slept well. So I encourage you to rethink your sleep cycle and the number of hours you sleep. 7 to 8 hours is what is ideal for us adults. Well, you can also say that if it's 7 to 8 hours, why not sleep at 2 a.m. or 4 a.m. and wake up at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. But that's where we really miss out on the different stages of our sleep, and we miss out on the times like between 11 p.m. and 12 a.m. when really we get some of the deepest sleep. So it's important for us to prioritize sleep, also prioritize screen time right before sleep, because as you know, the blue light can be very, very harmful for not only our eyes but also the kind of sleep quality that we have. uh, so if you're wondering that, you know what, I'm eating right, I'm grateful for everything, I'm exercising, I'm meditating, I'm doing it all, yet what is missing and why am I feeling a little bit low? Maybe check whether you're sleeping right.